One day, a teacher was present in her class. She was announcing the result. Students were happy to find out their results. One by one, everyone came to receive result card. Teacher saw that two students were discussing about the results. A student was very much happy. He was smiling, whereas other was upset. Upset student was crying and saying that he didn't get position in his class. Teacher find out that there was discussion between the students. When she saw that tears were falling down from the eyes of a student, she went there. She said, "Hi, why are you crying so loud and tears are falling down?" "Don't be upset, my dear, it's a happy day." Another student who was present there told her that he is crying because he thought that he will get position, but he didn't. He cursed himself that he is a loser and find out many other words that encourage his thoughts and make him more upset. My father teased me every time that you are a loser, and that sentence kills my confidence. The teacher said, "Let's go out from the class." When they reached under the tree, teacher explained that, "Look at this tree. It gives us shadow and fruit." She said about another tree, "It's different from the first one. Look at the flowers. Look at the daffodil. It's different from other flowers. Its fragrance is different from the rose." So, dear students, don't worry about anything. Don't stop when you are tired, but stop when you are done. Because the greatest pleasure in life is doing what people say you can't do. A lot of people see your result card and want it, yet they absolutely don't know the hard work you put in to obtain it. Remember that if you want to be successful, be consistent. Students cheered up, clapped, and laughed.